Hello, my name is Siobhan Sweet and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous sticky toffee sauce. I'm going to add some salt to mine, so I'm going to have a salted caramel sauce. But you don't have to add the salt if you don't want to. So I'm going to bring it over to the stove and I'm going to show you everything over here. So you're going to put your pan on and leave it on for about 3 minutes until you can feel quite a lot of heat coming through your pan. There's nothing in there, so it's a dry caramel sauce. So I've got 75 grams of sugar and I'm just going to sprinkle in carefully. Now this is called a direct caramel because you can see already, I'm just going to turn it down slightly, that that's starting to caramelise, and that's exactly what we want there. Can you see how quickly it is? And because that pan's quite hot. Just put a little bit more in. Now you add it bit by bit, okay? Now the reason why I don't use brown sugar is because I want that caramelisation, I want the flavour. Where if you use brown sugar, you can't see that caramelisation, it's very hard to see. Once that's dissolved, add a little bit more. Just give it a little stir. You mustn't stir sugar too much because you're going to aggravate it. And when you aggravate sugar, you're going to crystallise it. So just give it a little shimmer. And that's it. Okay, we're going to get a nice deep colour there. Let that dissolve. And we're going to add a bit more. This is a very, very quick way of making a caramel sauce. You can make this in 2 minutes. That's all the sugar in now. Give that the last little stir. Once it's all dissolved, you can add your cream. So be careful adding your cream because you can get a nasty burn. So just keep your hands away and add a little bit because it will stick. Okay, you may want to put a cloth over your arm. And just add it bit by bit. So that's 120 grams of cream in there. That is your caramel sauce ready to go. So leave that to cool. Obviously it's so hot there, be really, really careful. You can get a nasty burn from caramel, but leave that to cool. Now, if you want to put a little bit of salt in there, you can. Now I am doing a sea salted one today, so I'm just going to put a little scoop of sea salted caramel in there. Just to flavour. That is your beautiful caramel sauce. I'll just put a tiny bit on the table so you can see. So that is how to make a really simple caramel sauce. So please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much for joining me.